Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video we're going to go over this method to make money on YouTube, which is pretty epic. Not only is it epic, it's 100% free to do. Anybody can do this from absolutely anywhere in the world. You don't need any skills or any experience. And look, if you want, more tips and hints for making money over on YouTube, go over to my blog. It's called Not Taught at School. If you come to YouTube, there's lots of articles on here. We'll look at how to promote your channel, making money on YouTube, and lots more. So let's look at today's topic, and we are over here on YouTube, and I've just typed in MMA news. Now look at this, there's 450,000 people a month searching for mixed martial arts news, and if we scroll down here you can see look, MMA news today, come further down, and we could go further into these keywords, but this 150,000 people a month are searching for this. Now over on YouTube, if we scroll down here, look at this, the best of MMA. This video with 42,000 views, which was put out 18 hours ago, it is literally images and text. Okay, if we come a bit further on the page here, we've got MMA World, again, images and text. Come down here, this one here, this is, again, it's just, this one here has actually got a little bit of video clip in here, but lots of these videos, all they're using on here is just images and texts, okay? So I'll share with you exactly how you can do this 100% for free and start potentially earning some money from YouTube. Now, these videos over here with, obviously, they're earning with AdSense, but there's so many more ways that you can make money with a YouTube channel. We can do affiliate marketing, we can do merch, sponsorships, and lots more, sorry. But if I show you how you go ahead and create these ones here, because they're not difficult and they'll take you a few minutes. So let me close out of YouTube here, and we'll go into this video creator over here. And as I've mentioned, there's a link to this below. It's 100% free. You can go ahead and sign up for this. So it's called InVideo. Now we're going to scroll down and we're going to click on text to video. Okay. And then once we've clicked on there, we're going to scroll down and we're going to leave it on wide 16:9 because this is the YouTube measurements that we need. Then we'll scroll down here, and there's templates on here that we can pick, and there's lots of stuff in here, but it doesn't matter, just pick any one. So we'll click on this one here, for example, Summer Vibes, and we'll click on use this template. Okay, so pick any template. Now on here it says add your script, recommended. You can add a headline and a story, but we're not going to do that. What we are going to do is, you see here where it says add a URL here. I'm going to click on the drop down box here, and basically whatever we paste into here, this software will fetch that content into InVideo for us. It'll create it for us, and you see here auto suggest images and videos. So all I need to do here is paste the URL and we will fetch. So let's come over to Google and we'll just type in MMA news, and we will go and find an article basically. So let's scroll down here. Look, we've got latest MMA fighting, MMA news, all of these here. So any one of these will do. So let's just click on this one and we'll go into this website here, and let me just click on accept. Now let's just scroll down and find an article that we can use. Okay, so some of these on this website are videos, so obviously they wouldn't work. So let's just click on this one here, and we'll have a look at this and see if it's got an image. So we have an image, we've got text on here, so this one will do. So I'm going to click on here, I'm going to cut that, I'm going to go back over to InVideo, and where it says add your URL, I'm going to paste that into here. Then I'm going to click on fetch. Now what happens is, InVideo, you can see it's loading this and it's now done. It's going to create a video for us. So this is what it's fetched. Now we can auto summarize this. So if I click on there, it will auto summarize all of this and it will go down here for us. Okay, pretty straightforward and simple. So now another piece of software, which again is free, and let me close this down here because it's got a lot of ads on there, it's slowing us down. Now we're going to go over to this website here, and it's called quillbot.com, and all I'm going to do here is I'm going to take this and we'd go through each sentence here. We're going to copy this, I'm going to take that over to Quillbot here, I'm going to paste that into here, and I'm going to click on paraphrase. Let me get rid of that, and now it's done. So what was over here, it's being paraphrased over here. So now I copy, now I'm going to highlight all of this, sorry, I'm going to copy that, I'm going to go back over to InVideo, and I'm going to paste that into there. And all we'd do here is we would literally paste each section over into the Quillbot. Once we've done all that, we go down to the bottom here. Let me move my head and we click on Go to Starry Border, okay? Very simple so far, I think you'll agree. So in a second, once this is done, it's going to create the video for us. Now, this is using AI software, so we will have to make, a few amends, and some of the images may not match, what we would like, but we'll have a look and we'll see how this video comes out. Because realistically, from start to finish, this whole process will take you about 10 minutes, I'd say. So, on here, look, we've got the text down here, and then we've got different images over here. So, we can click on this one over here, and there is our image. If I then go down to the next one, we've got the text again here, and if you don't like this text, you can change it, you can edit it, you can do whatever you want basically. You can move it around the page, you can resize it, but for the sake of the video, I'm just going to quickly go through here. So we change the image. If we want to change the text, we can do, and you can just go through. And now look, if the image on here, or there's a suggested image which doesn't match up with your text down here, you have a couple of options. You can upload your own images, or you see over here where it says images, we go over here and you can search images. So you could type in here, you could type in MMA and click on, oh sorry, no, not that one. We would click on MMA, I'm going to click on here, and we're going to click on enter, and it's going to bring up all of these images. So you could click on any of these images over here, and all you do is you drag it over here like so, and then once this is over here, oh sorry, that's not right, let me take this over here. Now it's there, and now it's on there, and you can move this around, you can play with this as much or as little as you like. But once you're done with this here, you just scroll down to the bottom, make sure you're happy with this, and you would click on download and share the video. Once you've downloaded and shared the video, you then take that video and you put it onto YouTube. Now, there's a couple of things that I would recommend for you to do, but just to recap so far, we're using this free piece of software here called InVideo. We're using this free tool over here called Quillbot. Then we're going to get into the process of uploading the video. So first of all, we would need to create a thumbnail. Now you can create thumbnails using a free piece of software called canva.com. I'll show you this really quickly, canva.com, and then we'll go YouTube template. And look, free and customizable YouTube art channel templates. You can also do, if I do this, canva.com YouTube thumbnail, click on there, and look, 1,800 free and customizable YouTube templates. So you go into here and you create a YouTube template, and it is literally drag and drop. It's straightforward and simple. Once we have done that, there's another thing that I like to do, which is we need to get our video tags. So for this, we would come over to this website here, and it's called Rapid Tags. Now inside of here, you simply put in the name of your video. So in this example, let's just say it was, MMA News. We'd go MMA News. Click there, and look, it gives us all of our video tags. Now this is important because we're including our tags within our video, within our YouTube description, and we're basically optimizing that video to make sure we're getting the most views from this. So it's a straightforward, forward process. We're using free software, so Rapid Tags is free, Canva is free, Quillbot is free, and also InVideo is free. So I'll put links to all of these below for you so you can go straight over to, whichever one you want to play around with. But once we've done all of this, we're then obviously moving on to the part of uploading it onto YouTube, which is a straightforward process. Now down below, I'll also leave a link for you over to my YouTube course. It's a free YouTube course, and it walks you through this whole process from start to finish, like uploading the video, your video properties, your tags, creating your thumbnails, and lots more. It also shares with you a number of ways that you can make money. But in terms of this method for making money today, if we go over to Social Blade, let's go over to, we'll go over to this website over here called Social Blade, and you can get a brief idea how much some of these channels are making on YouTube from purely the adverts that go over the top of the videos. So if I type in MMA News, and we'll see what comes up for this. So I mean, look at this one here. They're earning What is this channel earning here? So it's saying this one here is roughly yearly earnings £6,000, so about $7,000 from YouTube AdSense. But I've just realised this wasn't the one I was looking for. It was MMA World, wasn't it? Click on there. Let's scroll down. This one over here. I mean, look, £10,000 a month, £123,000 a year. So obviously, I'm in the UK. It's UK pricing, but you can see on here roughly how much they're earning. You can look at, how many subscribers are getting, all of the video views, and lots more. But with this method, or any method that we speak about for, making money online, whether it's YouTube, blogging, it's going to come down to the same thing: time, effort, and consistency. All of the tools that we've looked at today, they're free. All it will take is some time and effort. And would you put time and effort into earn this amount of money a year from uploading really simple videos onto YouTube, which is free? I hope so, because it's an awesome method. And this money on here, this is just from YouTube AdSense. As I've mentioned, you can learn about affiliate marketing. You can also go down the route of sponsorships, paid ads, merch, and lots more. It isn't difficult. So look, that's today's video. Hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. If you've got any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.